Did you know that even if you already hold settled status or indefinite leave to remain, you're not automatically a British citizen? And while citizenship opens the door to a British passport, full voting rights, and freedom from immigration control, a single mistake in your application or too much time spent abroad can delay your dream for years. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know regarding who's eligible, how to apply for yourself and your children, what documents you'll need, what happens after you've applied, and how to make sure you get it right the first time. Let's dive in. If you already have settled status under the EU settlement scheme or indefinite leave to remain, i.e. ILR, the next step toward full integration in the UK is becoming a British citizen by naturalisation. Naturalisation gives you the same legal rights as anyone born in the UK. You can vote in general elections, apply for a British passport, and live, work or study without any immigration restrictions. But this is not an automatic process. You need to apply formally, pay the correct fee, and meet a list of detailed requirements that the Home Office will carefully verify. The eligibility rules depend on your personal circumstances, but the general standard for most applicants is as follows. You must have lived in the UK for at least 5 continuous years before applying. During that time, you cannot have spent more than 450 days outside the UK in total, or 90 days in the last 12 months. You must have held indefinite leave to remain, i.e. ILR, or settled status for at least 12 months, unless you're married to a British citizen. If you are married or in a civil partnership with a British citizen, you may apply as soon as you receive settled status. You don't have to wait that extra year. The Home Office also checks your immigration history to ensure your residence has been lawful and continuous. If you've overstayed, broken immigration rules, or failed to disclose information, your application may be refused. Every applicant aged 18 to 65 must prove 2 things: English language ability, speaking and listening, and knowledge of life in the UK. You'll need to pass the Life in the UK test, which checks your understanding of British history, culture, and laws. For English, you can meet the requirement by passing a secure English language test, i.e. SELT from an approved provider, or holding a degree that was taught in English, or being from a country where English is the main language. If you've already proven these skills as part of your ILR or settled status application, you usually don't need to repeat the tests. This requirement is sometimes underestimated, but it's one of the most common reasons for refusal. The Home Office will check your criminal record, any civil judgments, bankruptcy history, and whether you've ever breached immigration conditions. Even unpaid taxes or undeclared convictions can affect your application. If you've had legal issues in the past, seek professional advice before applying. If you're a parent with settled status, your children may also be eligible to become British citizens. If your child was born in the UK after you obtained settled status, or ILR, they are automatically British. You can apply directly for a UK passport. If your child was born before you became settled, or born outside the UK, you'll need to register them as a British citizen using Form MN1. Children under 18 do not need to pass English or Life in the UK tests, but those aged 10 or over must still meet the good character standard. The cost of the application is £1,735. This includes the citizen ceremony fee of £130. You apply online through the Home Office portal. You'll need the following: a valid passport or travel document, proof of your settled status or ILR, evidence of lawful residence during the qualifying period, Life in the UK test reference number, English language certificate, if required, details of your absences from the UK over the last 5 years. Once you've submitted your application, you'll be asked to pay the fee, upload your documents digitally, and provide your biometrics, i.e. photo and fingerprints. The Home Office usually aims to make a decision within 6 months, though some applications take longer. If more information is needed, they may contact you for additional documents or clarification. During this time, you must not travel outside the UK, or you risk delaying your decision. Once approved, you'll receive an invitation to attend your citizenship ceremony. This is the formal moment you become a British citizen. Once you've attended your ceremony, you'll receive your certificate of naturalisation, which confirms your new legal status. After that, you can apply for a British passport, vote in elections, and fully participate in civic life. Remember, your settled status, or ILR, ends once you become a British citizen. You are no longer under immigration control. Many applications fail due to preventable errors, such as applying too early, i.e., before holding settled status for 12 months, spending too long outside the UK, submitting incomplete documentation, forgetting to meet the language or test requirements. If your situation is complex, for example with time spent abroad or previous overstays, get advice before submitting your form. At Compass Immigration Law Limited, we offer 4 core services to make your British citizenship application easier. General advice. We provide expert guidance on requirements and evidence. Form filling, to assist with completing the application form. Application checking. We'll review the application you have prepared prior to submitting. Full application package, where we provide all of the above and more. Our experienced immigration team are based in Bolton, but we help clients across the UK and internationally. If you require professional assistance, don't take chances. Let us guide you through every step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the notification bell for updates on the latest UK immigration advice. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. We're here to help you navigate the complexities of UK immigration law. Use the details on screen to contact us today to get more information. We're here to help. If you've got a few minutes, check out the suggested video on screen now. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.